Zealand Chrome any. I friend Queens. I friend Queens. New Zealand Chrome had a joy bill. I say a joy bill. Anna Hano. So we had man at the 20 year. And I'll be to many citizens with Matna. Nti had a joy bill. Nti so one call for a once and a Juma. And also paid my farming job anyway. I'll be to the mama. Now you win number why. No baby, I'm a handy man do. I'll have more. Conforming time back. Conform have a brain. A man there will have a why. No baby, I'll be why. And I'm Mr. Wire from Conform pay Juma. Conform pay Juma, and conform you lazy. Mefa lazy people back room how. For more pay Juma, some year, Juma pay Juma, because I now do remember. Why? I want more inside the joint, they are a more advantage moment.
WW anymore 1,000 years guarantee. I'm back. I told you that anytime I'm back on this channel, it means there's a good news. Yes, today I'll try to use more of the English because the last time I share footage now. Let me say they should understand where I'm coming from. So pardon me, but I'll still manage. Yes, today we are talking about New Zealand. That is the package available. You see, before I open up on the package itself, I want you to be asking yourself each and every day, why do you want to travel? Why do you want to travel? So if you want to travel or you want to become a traveler, you need to be on this channel every day. Each and every morning when you wake up, I didn't know person be too quiet. Yes. I didn't know person took time just to go for sightseeing. Person who we are see the way how beautiful the world is, and there you can travel, and a folk can still help you. But if you want to travel for work, that is the most important thing. This is on my way there, Ghana there, yes, we need to travel and go and find work to come back and find solution to the problems in the country. So who took wine? And now if you come wow, I'm a to the friends Canada, UK, and I New Zealand. I'll give you one advice before I open up on the deal itself. When you travel for work, make sure you save and you open business. Yes, that's one advice I can give out, because it's just like now the country is very like hard or difficult in every sense. Ghana is shit. So if Ghana is facing difficulty in the employment sector, it's just reasonable for you to travel and go and find work somewhere else where there are abundance of work. It's in New Zealand media bros you understand? So you need to be ready and be very, very ready. You know how we do it on this channel. It's visa before payment, joint account service. Me know you better bank me create joint account, initial deposit na is all demand me no, but me I will use my personal fund to process the visa for you and give you a 2 years work permit to New Zealand. That is the package available now. Now let me tell you the various jobs semisuko ejuma on New Zealand there. Ejuma beya, because you can't just stand up and tell someone that you are going to work and the person does not know which kind of work or how much is the person going to earn or the benefit that comes with the job itself. Yeah, let me give you a scenario. If your house is burning, you don't run back into the burning house to go and fetch water to be able to quench the fire. See, Ghana is burning. We are in a deep crisis. But I'm bringing you hope. I have New Zealand deal with 2 years work permits. Now the flyer will be displayed on the screen. So let's follow on the jobs available. We have factory workers. This one, the factory can be any sort of factory. The idea is it's a factory work. That's the first job on the flyer. The second job we have is cleaners. Yes, those of you who feel like you are not in any capability to do any sort of hard works or any skillful jobs or like something that would demand much from you, this is for you. Cleaning. We are cleaner or Ghana, like it's nothing. But if you are a cleaner somewhere else, I'll come to the base salary, you'll be surprised. When I come to the base salary, you will be surprised. Anymore, 1,000 years guaranteed, no point. If you come, you are hammer. Oh, abutre, why? Munya butre. Now let's go to the next job. caregivers there is like we are working the elders or the elderly. If you are growing old, we have caring homes or nursing homes. That's how they call it. Those houses are for the aged, those who are old but they can't cater for themselves. Then you are being employed to offer them the services of assistance in doing their personal going about their personal hygiene or their personal movement. Those are caregivers' job. Each and every job I'm mentioning to you now, Sisiano, ejuma bia mebo amount Sisiano, obiara won his salary. Yes, ejuma bia won his salary. The final job no nanny for nso kan, and the final job ni is security job e won New Zealand. But what I say now, visa na odi betu kwa New Zealand na nkasa no, your friend no e-visa. Ubetimi asearch. So we a Ghanaian passport holder. Visa be na wo hia ansa na we to kwa New Zealand. Opa search. You can travel to New Zealand on an electronic visa, which is also called e-visa. Udru Airport Honuma, they will now process your documents into a stamp on your passport for your entry. Then my associate that are giving me this deal, I'm putting you in a safe hand. No, they are also in New Zealand. They will pick you up and give you all the jobs that we are mentioning here. They will take you through all the process. So the condition that comes with this package, and it's first, accommodation. Yes, ubenya baby ada. Second, transportation. Baby awuda any baby ajumani wono. Ka be for alcohol. Those are the conditions attached to the package. Visa before payment. I'm repeating. Visa before payment. Minju capre. Let's create a joint account and let's follow the process. So nim process am feel man ansana maji ejuma ansana medi ojuma akọ ebia embassy for me to handle your job. No, watch the previous video that will appear somewhere here. Watch it. Go back to watch the video. You can go back to the channel, subscribe and tap on the notification bell. Go to the channel, go to the videos, the video with the thumbnail, let me be your visa broker. Go and watch that video. It will tell you how I will handle your job and when not will I take your job or will not take your job. Do you understand? Now let's go to the next condition that comes with the to the package. We have lunch during working hours. See, this offer each and every money that you earn from your work, so saving now. The reason why you want to go to all the way to New Zealand to go and work is because of the hardship in the country. Me catch us me more visa that year so back because on my the country will never grow forward. We will never go forward. We will never grow up. So they want New Zealand. We age money now. Lunchtime company in some journey and to say scour journey like food and groceries and all those things. Now, who service can now no be Juma or Ghana. You open business in Ghana for the remainder or the people living behind. Omo amunti sika to say o to kan New Zealand here Juma no. Omo amuda so Ghana no be Juma mo. O be Juma mo said that you know unse ni market kitu be den be free o. What New Zealand so no unse pressure in news be brave because business for Ghana thrive. You are saving from the business and you are earning at the same time. That's two sources of income. I am enjoy a dice every day or more abortion or be the Biamusi dying. Meanwhile, they will come to Ghana and they will never sleep in it for even one day and they will go back. You understand? Open business. So one condition that comes with the package in say which is something good. You will not think about food this time around doing work because the company will serve you. Then we have health insurance. Yes, your health condition is very necessary. As open with you know, and we hear me because the package itself it comes with a health insurance. We age money in up and down. No, you have to make sure you're in a good condition. And this kind with the best business for her. Let keep you on New Zealand honum. Keep those things to yourself. Be in a good situation to be able to work, and the company is offering you all these conditions so that the work that they are giving you that you can't find in Ghana. You want to mean you or Ghana hanum no. A honum no. Ejuma ho. Ebetu your car. Esabe ma health insurance. Ebia we ejuma na accident BACA. Ubeko hospital ebe shell monthly. Like you have to go for checkup, dental checkup, and all those things. They are giving you all those things in addition to the package. Umpewe open then. Enimu WW 1,000 years guarantee for community ubeko. The base salary na me can say make salary ho asem. New Zealand ejuma na maboni na no from factory worker, cleaners, caregiver, nanny and security no. Base salary base salary ubeji reference says into your kakra no 1,800 New Zealand dollars. Ebusia for we dey yanko online me search your phone so 1,800 New Zealand dollars udi ba Ghana cedis mo a ASN me yes screen recommendation our screen so any 17,494 Ghana cedis 30 pesos 39 pesos sorry enti ube salary yanti o kakra no na enya 17,000 ompe we open then. This is New Zealand e-visa. Now visa no before my visa na ma onu de mo amunim dada meji unema uni me kwan me be fa so but we there if you don't know you are first timer o share video we mpacho go back to the channel and watch Let Me Be Your Visa Broker and watch that video to the end. I explain every details that I'll pass through before I'll even pick your job, every procedure into details before I'll pick your job. Yes, I don't want to repeat myself again on this side. Now if I receive your job and I accept your job to work on it, then I'll need your original passport and your passport picture, white background. Just these two things. Soft copy again, just like the Italian visa I spoke about in the previous video. Please, if you haven't watched that video, go back to the channel and watch that video. I have Italy visa available now, but it's just visitors visa only. It doesn't come with work. If you want to work, I have New Zealand. There are other packages to other countries that comes with work, but for now it's New Zealand I'm talking to you about. I need your passport and your passport picture. With this, I wish I can even get 20 people to be able to push through this deal, but it still need to pass through the various criteria I've already set for you. Go and watch the first video. You are earning 17,000. You can save and you can change your own life after working 2 years, because it's a 2 years work permit in New Zealand. After 2 years you can decide to renew or you can decide to drop back to Ghana. Now the business that you set in Ghana whilst working there, I pray and hope it tries for you. You can come back to it, prepare yourself and go back to any other place in the world you want, or manage your business and now take yourself out of hardship situation as we are currently facing. Not to waste much of your time no. Aside many documents in Mr. Ejumana, better take it 3 good weeks. Nejumana then are you ready? 3 good weeks and your New Zealand visa, electronic visa will be ready. I'm getting e-visa for you to travel to New Zealand. We will pick you from there, give you 2 years working permit. The jobs available are factory workers. Sorry, we need factory workers, we need nannies, we need caregivers, and we need security guards as well. Please, the base salary is 1,800 New Zealand dollars, which converted to Ghana cedis are 17,000 with some coins. So look at this and look at, and if you should come to the WhatsApp group to ask of the price no see there about that form boko. But mind you, one or better ticket voucher, please and please and please, one or better ticket. Now we do New Zealand honum and say oh drink cost no now we plane ticket home, because e-visa there and check after 3 weeks na visa na pay. So 3 weeks na year processing now we show plane ticket. As long as no also me balance nso aka ho, me no we share our bank na assign contract me ji ejuma ni tuma, me no we share our bank, they create joint account with the initial deposit na to bank account no e be our initial deposit and also obehu bibia wo comment section or no description we no section no, me the WhatsApp group link be to her. Go and tap on the link and join. Please, New Zealand visa with me here anka me here nipa 20. I need like 20 people. But if you're able to share this video and share to your friends like the way we do always, put your comment your name or write something in the comment section and share the video. Anyone that you recommend to come to this channel should go straight to the comment section box and tap on your reply or your comment whether to reply it or to like it. At the end of the day, I'll get to know that all the people that like your reply are from your referral. Then you can be a lucky winner to this New Zealand deal. Abraham Joe Capre. I need 5 people. May the 5 people have my visa we are move for free. Ejuma, you are going to work. It's a work permit. Share the video. Don't forget to subscribe yourself. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell. Share the video to your friends and let them like your comment. The person that has the highest of likes becomes the winner on this channel. I need 5 winners on this package. It's really there. Nipa 1 and not 2 pela met me afa. New Zealand, I'm picking 5 lucky winners. But in total, I need 20 customers who are ready. It's a visa before payment. Me, I will not stress this further. Visa before payment is just a joint account service. New Zealand is not just any ordinary country. Yes, most of you have always been dreaming to travel, but you just don't know where to go. Some of you, if you want to travel, if you have a visa, the only thing you think about is US, Canada, UK, Germany. But trust me, those are the A countries. It doesn't mean there are no better opportunities somewhere else. New Zealand offers you equal opportunity that US can also give you. Look at the salary you are earning. This one, there's a job guarantee. This is how the visitors visa call US are. You will not get work. They are suffering there. Because nipa no fine obetumi nya obi krata na wo de adwuma ba nipa no so no obeji ni kakra fi wo no adwuma na wo ye ni na so ni obi na HS Canada. I'm lying now. You can leave a comment section yourself with the make and the mebua. Now I'll keep my mouth shut. Please, there are equal opportunity elsewhere. Seize this opportunity. 3 weeks election in there. I say twaba, but unya visa too wa wait me akọ. Because so far no there also no we are not seeing our left, we are not seeing our head, we are not even seeing our tail. Please, New Zealand deal or package is available now. Rush it. I need 20 people. Share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let your referral like your comment. The highest of likes in the comment section becomes a lucky winner. Now I have this area money for free. Abusiafo, I won't waste much of your time again. That will be the end to this video. Wow, we are ready. How wow would you unim say why you ready? Say on New Zealand. Come on board. I'm available for you. Okay. So I'll see you on the next video and stay tuned. The next the upcoming video is going to be about Japan. Yes, I have offers in Japan, which is just 1 week process and you can get your visa and go and see or fly to Japan. But stay tuned. I'll come on that later on.